Singer industrial sewing machine, model 29.3. Serial number dates it to 1895. The Treadle also has patent dates of 1893, 94, 95 on the back. You can check out the pictures for some details. This sewing machine's up for auction. It's in working condition, was in use up to 5 years ago by a local cobbler here in Baltimore. He used it for 40 years along with another machine up for auction. I have a 29.4. This one's a little bit older. The treadle works well. It does need a leather rope to have the treadle attached to this. That's an easy find. The difficult find is this machine in this condition with an original treadle. All the wing nuts work. Everything works on the machine. Has a rotating footer. Again, these were used primarily for cobblers, for making shoes, holsters, leather products, purses, sails, denim, canvas. Machines will sew through a lot. Very heavy, durable. The machine weighs just under 70 pounds. The base weighs over 100 pounds. Just for local pickup only. Still runs very smoothly. Serial number 128670006. Again, dates it to 1895. And as mentioned, the back of the treadle right along this area has patent dates embossed on it up to 1895. Take a look at the bobbin area here. You'll see that it does rotate as it should. The footer does move as it should. Everything works well. Slightly dusty, but inside it's clean. Thanks very much for looking. Again, check out the pictures for some more up close details. 1895 Singer model 29.3 industrial machine up for auction. Thanks for looking.